Now we move on to the final quadrant. The fourth quadrant has 4 tabs: Home, Questions, Documents, and Recommendations. There is no action needed for the Home tab. In the Questions tab, you'll be asked to provide the following application materials: a web link to your video statement of purpose. You can use any video platform such as YouTube or Vimeo. We have some suggestions for you while creating your video. We have your resume, so we've got a good understanding of your professional journey and experiences to date. Now is the time to tell us about your future. From a short-term perspective, where do you see yourself in 3 to 5 years from now? More long-term focused, what role do you see yourself in? What is your dream job or position, and in which industry or sector? What career goals do you have? And how would the program help get you there? Remember that the video should be between 3 to 5 minutes long. Show us who you are. Let your personality shine. A short personal statement. Feel free to draft your response on a Word document or in Google Docs and copy and paste when you're happy with your response. There's also a section called Test Waiver. Select Yes, as we have waived the GMAT or GRE requirement. The last section, if you're not applying to the Master of Science in Accountancy program, is to answer some questions about your work experience. Fill this section out as appropriate. If you're applying to the Master of Science in Accountancy program, your last step in this tab is to indicate which prerequisite courses you've completed. You can choose from completed, in progress, or not applicable.